That was absolutely nuts. You sound like gunshots the whole time.
Holy
the torque comes on so early too.
I would have too many tickets driving.
I know, man. It's bad. It is bad. She's giving us the fucking shaka over there. Thumbs up. All right. That's hilarious. Oh, they love that tunnel run. That's fucking awesome. Give me some turbo noises. Give me some brake boost. No, see what's fucked up though is like after 70 miles an hour, cars are brick walls anyway. So what does it matter? It's death. I mean, look, we have no airbags, so you're gonna fucking die as it is. That was fun. That was way too fun. You were running that plate the whole time?
Yeah.
Psycho. Doing freeway runs like that. What a crazy bastard.
Yeah, I like
this. Shit's crazy, huh? Like the power. Because the second time I felt like you were like in a lower gear, like in the
tunnel. In the tunnel, he was at second.
Yeah.
Yeah,
the Alameda, I didn't know.
But my second's your third almost.
Yeah.
My second goes to 90.
Come up on that speed that quick. Yeah. That's what the first
time. I was
like,
when you floored
God. Yeah. I didn't know it was gonna come up on that speed that quickly, so I was like.
It would have been funny if you had a GoPro too, like on his face. Like,
well, we're both videoing and like he's driving and shifting, and I'm just like, go, fucking get it.
Yeah. So I was just holding the wheel and the camera like this, shifting.
Oh yeah, you're holding the camera.
Yeah.
Sketch, goddamn.
I think I'll include this into the same video that his features in. So 2-3 vlogs, same fucking time, whatever. Cardi B, baby. Okay, so we're gonna go get some E85, but we're gonna do like a little onboard driving handheld, you know, thing we usually do when we're looking at and we're driving cars. This is Pirooz's 94 SC300, original 5-speed.
Now how's our 154?
Now it's got an older 5-speed. And yeah, I mean, I think this is the most buttoned up SC that I've seen. Leather's still good in the back. He made these Recaro SPJJ Raptor seats power, so he like added those to his existing stock bases, so you could still like have the functionality of going up and down. It's kind of dope. I wish my cars looked good.
I think it tilts too a little bit.
On here?
Yeah.
That's he's got this, yeah, but everything in here is pretty nice. The leather, the suede. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. Let's see if you can see the suede here. Oh yeah, you can see the suede. Look at me. Just rub that Alcantara, baby. Oh yeah. 10 minutes into this drive, Pirouz already broke his car. This, Jesus. Ladder on it, what is that? Yeah, what the fuck is that? Holy hell. Get out of the way, Solora. Jesus.
That looks good.
Wait, but back up for a minute. Let's catch this fucker. Is this an Eclipse GST? This all-wheel drive? What is that? What is that? Good God. God, man. Look, right now, I'm going right there. I'm over the bridge.